Potential for high returns. Bitcoin has demonstrated significant price appreciation since its inception in 2009. Early adopters have seen staggering gains, with Bitcoin's price rising from mere cents to tens of thousands of dollars per coin. While volatile, its historical trajectory has drawn the attention of both institutional and retail investors seeking outsized returns. 2. Limited supply and scarcity. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million coins, making it a deflationary asset by design. Unlike fiat currencies, which can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin's predictable issuance schedule via mining creates scarcity. This scarcity drives the digital gold narrative. As demand grows and supply remains fixed, the price tends to appreciate over time. 3. Decentralization and autonomy. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized blockchain network, meaning no single government or institution controls it. This decentralization makes it resistant to censorship, monetary policy manipulation, or political interference. Investors value this autonomy as it gives them direct ownership of an asset without relying on intermediaries. 4. Hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. As governments around the world engage in expansive monetary policies and currency debasement, for example, money printing, low interest rates, Bitcoin is often seen as a hedge against inflation and fiat currency devaluation. Like gold, it offers an alternative store of value, particularly in countries with unstable currencies or high inflation. 5. Global accessibility and liquidity. Bitcoin can be bought, sold, and transferred 24/7 on a global scale, making it highly accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Its markets are liquid, with billions in daily trading volume across numerous exchanges. This accessibility and liquidity allow investors to enter or exit positions quickly, unlike some traditional assets. 6. Portfolio diversification. Bitcoin's price movements have historically had a low correlation with traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. Including Bitcoin in a diversified investment portfolio can enhance overall risk-adjusted returns by introducing an asset that may behave differently than traditional investments. 7. Transparency and security. Bitcoin's blockchain is a public ledger that records every transaction, enhancing transparency and security. While individual transactions are pseudonymous, the overall ledger cannot be altered or forged. This trustless system reduces the need for intermediaries and builds confidence in its integrity. 8. Growing institutional adoption. Major companies, financial institutions, and even governments have started recognizing Bitcoin's legitimacy as an asset class. Examples include investments by Tesla, endorsements from hedge funds, and the launch of Bitcoin futures and ETFs. This trend adds credibility and deepens market liquidity. Conclusion: Bitcoin offers multiple benefits for investors: the potential for high returns, a hedge against inflation, portfolio diversification, decentralization, and global accessibility. Its capped supply adds an element of scarcity that can drive long-term appreciation. However, it's important to acknowledge that Bitcoin remains a highly volatile asset, subject to regulatory scrutiny and technological risks. As with any investment, it's wise to diversify and only allocate an amount aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Imagine owning a small piece of something that could one day be worth tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Imagine having the power to make financial decisions that directly affect your life without having to rely on a bank or other financial institution. If that sounds appealing, then investing in Bitcoin might just be for you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the key reasons why people invest in Bitcoin, exploring the potential benefits that draw both new and experienced investors to this digital frontier. So if you're ready to embark on a journey towards greater financial freedom, let's dive in together. Why invest in Bitcoin? Let's talk about the amazing advantages of investing in Bitcoin and how it can be a great choice for building wealth. 1. Potential for high returns. Since its humble beginnings in 2009, when a Bitcoin was worth just a few cents, the value of Bitcoin has skyrocketed. In fact, in December of 2020, the price hit $30,000 per coin. Even though it's gone through ups and downs, many experts believe that its price will continue to rise in the future. It's a huge draw for investors looking for big returns. Now, while there's no guarantee of making money with Bitcoin, its price history shows that it has a lot of potential too, limited supply and scarcity. One of the things that sets Bitcoin apart is that there will only ever be 21 million of them. That means it's a deflationary asset. Unlike government-issued cash, which can be made in unlimited quantities, the supply of Bitcoin is controlled and will eventually run out. This scarcity makes Bitcoin a bit like digital gold. As more people want to get their hands on it and the supply doesn't change, its value goes up. It's this limited supply and growing demand that drives what we call the digital gold narrative. 3. Decentralization and autonomy. Say goodbye to banks and other financial middlemen. With Bitcoin, you have direct control over your money. It's not tied to any government or institution, so no one can control it or take your money away. This decentralization also makes it safer because there's no central point of control that could be attacked. If you're looking for a way to own your assets and make your own choices, Bitcoin might just be the answer. 4. Hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. When countries print more money or keep interest rates really low, it can lead to higher prices and weaken their currencies. But Bitcoin is different. Its supply is limited, so it's not affected by these actions. Many see Bitcoin as a safe way to keep their money and protect it from inflation. And if you're worried about your country's economy or the value of your currency, Bitcoin could be an option worth considering. 5. Global accessibility and liquidity. You don't need a bank account or permission from any authority to buy, sell, or move Bitcoin anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection, and with millions of people using Bitcoin worldwide, you can easily find someone to trade with. Also, there's a lot of Bitcoin trading happening every day, so you can usually sell your Bitcoin quickly and easily convert it back to regular money. 6. Portfolio diversification. Having different types of investments in your portfolio can help reduce risk and increase potential returns. And guess what? Bitcoin's value doesn't always move the same way as stocks, bonds, or other investments. That makes it a good option to add diversity to your investment portfolio. By including Bitcoin in your portfolio, you can spread out your investments and reduce the impact of any single investment's ups and downs on your overall portfolio. This can help you stay on track toward your financial goals, whatever they may be. 7. Transparency and security. Unlike many financial transactions, all Bitcoin transactions are recorded in a public ledger called the blockchain. This means that everyone can see the history of each Bitcoin and verify the transactions that have taken place. This level of transparency makes it harder for anyone to cheat or hide illegal activities. Additionally, the blockchain's decentralized nature makes it very secure. Instead of relying on a central authority, the network of computers that maintain the blockchain ensures that transactions are valid and secure. This helps prevent fraud and keeps your Bitcoin safe from hackers. 8. Growing institutional adoption. Bitcoin is gaining recognition as a legitimate investment. More institutional investors, such as pension funds and retirement accounts, are putting small portions of their funds into Bitcoin. Major companies like Tesla have already invested in Bitcoin, showing that it's becoming more accepted in the business world. This growing acceptance is boosting confidence in Bitcoin's stability and long-term value. Plus, with more players involved, we're likely to see more innovation and development in the Bitcoin space, making your Bitcoin investment journey seamless. If you're convinced and ready to invest in Bitcoin, we've got you covered. Let's explore some trusted platforms where you can start your Bitcoin investment journey today. 1. eToro, a user-friendly platform for beginners. eToro is a user-friendly platform that's perfect for beginners looking to dip their toes into the world of Bitcoin. With eToro, you can buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin with ease. The platform's intuitive interface makes navigation a breeze, allowing you to focus on making informed investment decisions. Plus, eToro offers educational resources and a demo account for practice, ensuring you feel confident managing your Bitcoin investments. 2. Coinbase, a secure gateway to cryptocurrencies. Coinbase is one of the most popular platforms for buying and selling Bitcoin. With a strong reputation for security and ease of use, Coinbase allows you to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin with confidence. Their mobile app is available for iOS and Android devices, providing you with a convenient way to manage your investments on the go. Additionally, Coinbase Pro offers advanced trading features for more experienced traders. 3. Gemini, a New York-based exchange focused on security. Founded by the Winklevoss twins, Gemini is a New York-based exchange that prioritizes security. Gemini is regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, giving you peace of mind knowing that your Bitcoin is safe. They offer a range of services, including a mobile app, margin lending, and an active blog that keeps you informed about the latest industry news. 4. Cash App, a simple Bitcoin wallet and investment platform. Cash App is a versatile platform that combines a Bitcoin wallet with investment capabilities. With Cash App, you can buy, hold, and sell Bitcoin within a user-friendly interface. It's a great option for those who want a simple and straightforward Bitcoin investment experience. The app's additional features, like peer-to-peer payments and a balance boost, make it a practical tool for everyday use. 5. Binance, a global crypto exchange with a wide selection. Binance is a global crypto exchange that offers a wide selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. With a reputation for low fees and a vast range of trading options, Binance caters to both beginners and experienced traders. The platform's user-friendly interface and mobile app make it easy to navigate and execute trades on the go. Which platform should you choose? Each platform has its unique features and benefits. Consider factors such as ease of use, security, available features, and fees when making your decision. Remember, the best platform for one person may not be the best for another. Do your research and choose the one that aligns with your investment needs and preferences. Embrace the future of finance. Hopefully, this comprehensive guide has shed light on the compelling reasons why people invest in Bitcoin. From its potential for high returns and limited supply to decentralization, autonomy, and growing institutional adoption, Bitcoin offers a multitude of benefits that appeal to investors seeking new opportunities. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio, hedge against inflation, or explore the world of digital assets, Bitcoin presents an exciting prospect. However, it's essential to acknowledge that Bitcoin is a highly volatile investment, and like any investment, it comes with risks. Conduct thorough research, assess your risk tolerance, and consider consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Bitcoin. We hope you've learned valuable insights that will guide you on your path to financial exploration. Stay curious, keep learning, and always remember to invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Have any questions or want to share your thoughts? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy investing!